today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best LLC services. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're thinking about starting a business this year, this is definitely something you're going to want to know. I know how overwhelming it can be when you Google how to form an LLC, and suddenly you're bombarded with ads, reviews, and dozens of companies that all claim to be the best. It's honestly a lot, and most people don't know where to start, so they either put it off or choose the first name they recognize. The truth is, not all LLC services are created equal. Some are built for convenience, some for budget, some for privacy, and other for long-term legal help. So instead of leaving you to sort through the noise, I'm going to break down the top 5 that are actually worth your time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear sense of which one fits your business needs, and you'll know exactly where to start without wasting money or getting stuck with something that doesn't make sense for you. Let's get into it. Before we get into the list, just a quick note. This video is sponsored by Bizee, which is one of the services we're going to talk about today. If you're interested in starting your LLC with Bizee and you'd like to support this channel, you can check out the link in the description below. All right, let's get into the top 5. Number 1, Tailor Brands. Let's start with Tailor Brands. What makes Tailor Brands different is that it's not just about forming your LLC, it's about building your business from the ground up. Here's what I mean. A lot of LLC services stop at the paperwork. They're going to help you file, and then you're on your own to figure out branding, website, and everything else. Tailor Brand takes a different approach. Once you've filed your LLC, they guide you straight into setting up your online presence. Things like designing a logo, creating a website, and even tools for social media branding. I think this is really helpful for people who don't just want an LLC on paper, but want their business to actually look like a business right away. Picture this. File your LLC in the morning, and by that afternoon, you've got a website, a logo, and a business email. That's the vibe Tailor Brand's going for. The upside here is convenience. It feels good to have everything in one place, especially if you're new and don't want to chase down a dozen different platforms. The downside, though, is cost. Tailor Brands is affordable if you stick with the basics, but once you start bundling websites, logos, and other tools, the bill can definitely add up. So if you're someone who wants the whole package, the paperwork plus the brand, Tailor Brands is definitely a solid choice. If you want to check out Tailor Brands, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, all you'll do is go ahead and select your state. Maybe that's California. We'll click go ahead and get started. From here, you'll go ahead and type in your business name. You can try it. Cool. Now we'll click next. Now you're just going to answer a couple questions like what stage you're in. Maybe you're taking the first steps. Maybe you want to launch as soon as possible. The wellness, maybe then you'll select your industry. And then if it's a physical or professional service, then are you planning to hire employees? What your annual income goal is, and then where it's going to operate. So you also can skip this if you would like, but you can also select online, brick and mortar, or on the go. Then this is where you're going to customize what you actually would like. So if you want your LLC, maybe insurance, license and permits, definitely the EIN, maybe type in your own. And also what's cool about Tailor Brands is they have a full laid out checklist right here. So you can click what you've already done and what you haven't. And then if you haven't done anything, you'll just click none of the above. They do have a 12-week coaching program you can get started with for free. Then all you're going to do is go ahead and then you're going to create an account, and then it will do everything on the back end for you. So again, it's super helpful because they kind of do everything on the back end for you. You just have to answer some questions. Number 2 is LegalZoom. Next up is LegalZoom, which is probably the most well-known in this space. LegalZoom has been around for decades, and for a lot of people, that recognition does feel safe. The big advantage here is legal support. So when you use LegalZoom, you're not just filing your LLC, you also have access to a huge library of legal documents and the ability to connect with licensed attorneys. So let's just say you form your LLC today, and 6 months from now you realize you need a trademark or you need help drafting a contract. LegalZoom already has those services built in, so you don't have to start your search over again. The benefit is peace of mind. You're backed by a company with a long history and a network of legal professionals. The only drawback is price. So LegalZoom tends to cost more than newer companies, and if all you really want is a quick LLC filing, you might end up paying for more than you actually need. But if you know you'll want ongoing legal help, or you just like the security of a name that's been around forever, LegalZoom is definitely worth considering. If you want to check them out, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link to get started, if you are just starting your business from scratch, we'll click here. If you're forming an LLC, we'll go ahead and click that. You can enter in your business name, where you're located, and then they have a couple couple of different plans right here. So they have a basic plan, which is free, but you do have to pay state filing fees. They don't take care of that for you. This gives you your articles of organization, which you do have to file to officially register your LLC, a name check service, and a tax consult. Then the Pro is $249 plus the state filing fees. This is best for those planning to start and operate a business or a side hustle. So you get everything that's in the basic, but you also get an EIN, operating agreement, and some hands-on guidance. Lastly is the premium plan, which is $299 plus the filing fees. So with this, you get everything in the Pro plan, but you also get bookkeeping, unlimited customizable proposals, and more. So just find a plan that fits your needs and you can go from there. Number 3 is Swyft Filings or ZenBusiness. Now let's talk about Swyft Filings and ZenBusiness. I'm grouping these two together because they're both pretty popular with small business owners who want something fast, simple, and affordable. Swyft Filing is known for its customer service. If you're the type who wants to be able to pick up the phone and get an answer from a real human, this is where they really shine. A lot of newer entrepreneurs appreciate that hand-holding, especially during the confusing parts of formation. ZenBusiness, on the other hand, is focused on automation and compliance. They've built tools that help you stay on track with annual reports and other state requirements. If you're ever worried about missing a filing deadline or paying unnecessary fees, ZenBusiness is great for keeping you out of trouble. So if you think about it like this, Swyft is for the person who values personal help, and ZenBusiness is for the person who wants to set it and forget it with automated reminders. Both are pretty budget friendly and simple, and they both get the job done. The trade-off is that neither gives you the deep legal help of LegalZoom or the branding extras of Tailor Brand. If your main priority is cost and speed, they're excellent options. If you want to get started with either of them, both of those links are in the description below. And of course, the cost does differ depending on what state you're filing for. Number 4 is Northwest Registered Agent. They have built its reputation on privacy and customer service. When you form an LLC, your personal information, like your home address, often becomes part of the public record. A lot of services don't talk about this, but it matters if you're running your business from home. Northwest makes privacy a top priority, and unlike some providers, they don't sell your data and they take steps to make sure your personal info stays protected. They're also known for incredible customer support. So if you've ever called a company and felt like you were just a number, Northwest is the opposite. Their reps are trained to actually walk you through the process and answer questions in plain language. The pro here is peace of mind. You know your privacy is respected and that you can always get help if you need it. The downside though is cost. Northwest isn't the cheapest option, and if budget is your main concern, you'll find cheaper services elsewhere. But for entrepreneurs who value privacy and want to feel taken care of, Northwest is definitely a standout. If you want to get started with Northwest, our link is in the description. All you'll do is click Get Started, and then from here you will answer some questions. So you can select LLC, where you're forming your business, and then as you can see, the Colorado business formation service filing options are $50, and this is a standard and it's processed in 1 day. Then you've got your company information, so what your business name is. If you want to send a copy of lawsuits or legal notices to your attorney, you can use generic business purposes or you can add your own. This is where you can choose if you want your physical address or using them as a specific registered agent or even a specific address in general. Then you'll go to management type, contact details, account setup, business identity. So you can get a free domain for a year. If you want that, you can add that. If not, you can turn it off. Then they want some other optional items like the tax ID, which is your EIN, and you definitely do want that, especially if you're planning to open business bank accounts or hire someone, etc. They've got some other add-ons here too that you can check out, and then you just will pay and you are good to go. So of course, again, all of these prices are going to vary depending on where you live, but since example, Colorado is just $50 plus the basic package, which is $39, which brings it to $89. And then lastly, we have Bizee. This one is especially popular with new business owners who are trying to keep costs low. Bizee offers free LLC formation. You just pay the state filing fee. On top of that, they do include a free year of registered agent service, which can save you a couple $100s right away. I really do think this is huge if you're just getting started and don't have a lot of extra cash to throw at legal paperwork. You can form your LLC and know you're covered for at least the first year without a big upfront investment. The platform is also also very beginner friendly, so you don't feel overwhelmed clicking through endless forms. The downside is that they upsell a lot of extras along the way. Some of those add-ons are helpful, like compliance reminders or EIN filing, but you'll want to be clear about what you actually need. Overall, if you're looking for the most budget-friendly way to officially start your business, Bizee is really hard to beat. And again, that link is down in the description if you want to get started with them and support the channel. Once you click that link, all you do is click Start My Business. Then you can select entity type in your state. And from here, you can see all of their different packages. They've got the basic, the standard, and the premium. They've also got extra add-ons. So it really is customizable to you. Even if you want to just start with the basic, as you can see, the basic package is $0 and the Alaska state fee is the $250. But again, it depends on where you're located. So which one of these services should you actually go with? And the truth is, it really depends on what matters most to you. If you're someone who wants more than just paperwork, like a logo, a website, and a brand identity, then Tailor Brands is the best fit. It's a bit more on the expensive side, but it's a little more expensive once you add extras, but it saves you from piecing everything together on your own. If having ongoing legal help is important to you, then LegalZoom is definitely worth it. This is the option I definitely suggest if you already know you'll need things like trademarks, contracts, or just peace of mind having lawyers in your corner. It does cost more, but you're really paying for that extra layer of security. If affordability is your top priority, then Swyft Filings or ZenBusiness are definitely going to make the most sense. Both are beginner friendly and straightforward. If privacy is at the top of your list, then Northwest Registered Agent is definitely the way to go. They're a bit more expensive, but they don't sell your data and their customer service is top notch. And finally, if you're on a budget and just need the lowest cost way to get your business off the ground, then Bizee is hard to beat. You just pay the state fee and you can get a full year of registered agent service for free. At the end of the day, think about what you value most: budget, branding, privacy, or legal support, and let that guide your decision. I know starting a business can feel like a lot, and I know how overwhelming it can be when you're trying to figure out the right choice. But the truth is, every successful business you see today started with this same step. The most important thing isn't picking the perfect service, it's taking action and moving forward. If one of these services sounds like a fit for you, make sure you check out the exclusive links down below to get the best price possible. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. And if this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs cut through the confusion around business tools and services so you can focus on actually building your business with confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.